This video will introduce the scanner software workflow. The first interface is the dentist account list. Click the setting logo in the upper right corner to enter the management software to set and manage the basic information. Choose your account and log in. This patient list, you can create a new patient, fill the information and click Create. Or choose an old one from the list. Choose one, and enter the case list. Create a new case. On the top of the interface is the scan workflow. Case information is the starting point, then scan, edit, mode, occlusion, analyze, send. You can follow these steps in order. At the case information interface, you can mark the tooth. Click the tooth first and choose the correspondent treatment types. There are full crown, veneer, implant, and so on. Also, you can choose the material, shade for the case. If you have anything else to remark, you can write it down in the case remarks. Click Scan to enter the scan interface. At the left, here is the sidebar. You can choose which part you want to scan. Click Start or press the button. There will pop up a 2D window to capture the data. The large one is the 3D window to generate 3D models. Before scanning, the strategy we recommended is lingual surface, occlusal surface, buccal surface. In this way, it can be fluent and avoid interruption. Put the tip on the teeth, make sure the 2D window is green, then scan. Here is AI function. Use the recommended path when scanning patient mouth. It will automatically remove the soft tissue and keep only the data we need. Keep only teeth and 10 mm of gingiva. Use the same method as the lower jaw. For occlusion scanning, place the tip in mouth against the buccal mucosa. Put the tip at first molar, move up and down in an S shape, from first molar to the canine while with some gingiva. It will be easy to recognize. When a ding sound and the model turn blue, it means the match is good and you can stop. Then can scan another bite. When finishing scanning, click Edit Mode to post-process the data. The processing time depends on your scan time. Then we'll introduce some functions of each interface. In the scan interface, at the bottom, here is playback. It can play back the video to check the scan process, which is very helpful for a new learner. On the right, there are 4 functions: erase, HD photo, rescan, and exchange. The first one is erase. You can trim the unrelated tissue. Click Apply, and the remaining data on the screen is the final data. The second one is HD photo, which is useful for the lab to check the color and margin line. Put the camera on the teeth, and press the button to take. The third one is rescan. You can click rescan and continue scanning the teeth. The last one is exchange. If you scan the wrong jaw, click exchange, and the software will change them automatically. In the edit mode interface, there are 3 functions. The first one is erase, the same as the scan interface. Trim the unrelated tissue. The second one is fill. For filling small holes, click fill and different colors will show them. The third one is invert. If you scan an impression and click invert, you can get the data inverted. In the occlusion interface, you can check the occlusion relationship. Click Analyze on the right side. Click Expand and the upper jaw and lower jaw will automatically separate. Different colors represent contact point situation. Click on Auto. You can measure the distance by clicking on the screen. It is very useful for the dentist to check the space of restoration. In the Analyze interface, there are 2 functions. Click Undercut. There is a point in the middle. Rotate the model to the view you want and lock it. You also can rotate at the window. According to the color prompt, the dentist can make a better preparation. Click Margin Line. You can draw the margin line for teeth. Click Add, choose the number, click Apply, click Point Operation, and click on the first point to form a circle. Then you can adjust the margin line, also delete the point. Click Apply and the margin line data will be sent with the order. The last step of the workflow is Send. On the left side, here is the order information. You can check it. On the right side, here is a preview window. If you have additional information to send, you can click Add Attachment. Select a lab and click Send Order. The order will be sent including the model data, case information, HD photos, margin line, and attachment. That is all. Thank you.